and also Article 49, the right of the accused, are purely implemented in the Constitution. But when we see political interference with men of God, religious leaders, who are allowed by the Constitution to preach at their own wish, at their own whim, and you see politicians like recent remarks by politicians from Bungoma County, one of them who has been charged with murder, alluding that Yesu Wa Tongaren must be arrested. Another one who is a sitting governor, who was alluding that Yesu Wa Tongaren must be arrested. And another senator from Western, who also tweeted that this man must be condemned to death. For sure, where is this country? Yesu Wa Tongaren hana chochote. Kama ingekuwa kama wale mapasta wengine ambao wako na mali, mungeona watu wanaenda huko kutafuta mali ya huyo and to glorify themselves.